Aplos AI, built to automate the work that slows you down. Property management is a communication business that happens to involve real estate, maintenance requests, rent reminders, lease renewals, move-in coordination. Every single one requires your attention. Every single one is time sensitive, and dropping any one of them costs you a tenant, a renewal, or a review. Most property managers are handling all of it manually, across dozens or hundreds of units, with a team that can't keep up. And the first thing that slips is always the proactive communication, the stuff that keeps tenants happy before they have a reason to be unhappy. Property managers spend over 60% of their workday on communications that could be automated, and lease renewals initiated 90 days out are 3 times more likely to close than those started in the final 30 days. Most managers start at 30. This is for property managers and small management companies handling 20 to 200 units, residential, commercial, or mixed, who are stretched thin and losing tenants to friction. Here's what we build. Every maintenance request gets an instant acknowledgment. Status updates go out automatically as the request moves through your workflow. Tenants stop calling to ask what's happening because they already know. For lease renewals, we start the sequence 90 days out, a series of personalized touch points that move the tenant towards signing before the unit is ever at risk of going vacant. Payment reminders run automatically. Due date, 3 days late, 7 days late. The message is firm but professional, and it goes out without you thinking about it. And for move-ins and move-outs, we build coordination checklists that go to tenants automatically. Inspection schedules, key handoffs, utility transfer reminders, every step covered, every party informed. Our clients see higher renewal rates, fewer vacancies, more on-time payments, and fewer complaints, not because the property's changed, because the communication did. If you want to see exactly what this looks like for your portfolio, book a free AI audit. We will map out your full tenant communication flow and show you where things are slipping. Go to applosai.com/audit